Time to sell your truck? We pay cash for trucks. All makes, all models, all conditions. Utes, pickups, heavy-duty haulers, delivery trucks, flatbeds, tippers. If it's got a bed and wheels, we'll buy it. Doesn't matter if it's a workhorse with 300,000 kilometers or a pristine low-mileage machine, we're truck specialists. We know what these vehicles are worth, and we pay accordingly. No dealership runaround, no lowball trade-in offers that insult your intelligence. The process? Dead simple. Call us or go online and describe your truck, year, make, model, condition. We'll give you an instant cash quote right there. No waiting, no maybe we'll call you back nonsense. Accept our offer? We come to you. Quick inspection to verify condition, then cash in your hand or immediate bank transfer. We handle the paperwork, arrange towing if necessary. You're done in under an hour. Diesel or petrol, two-wheel or four-wheel drive, running or not running, we buy them all. Modified, no problem. Accident damage, we'll still make an offer. Fleet vehicles, we'll buy multiple trucks at once. Stop letting that truck take up space and lose value. Get cash for your truck today. Call now or visit our website for your instant quote. We're ready to buy.